we were working this morning and we got a little rain, so we have our Summit canopy up and the car covered. We're just hanging out. You want to talk about what you were working on?
Pulling the dash right now.
Yep, that's been a bit of an ongoing project, so continuing. You guys want to wave to the vlog? Here, I'll come over. What have you guys been working on this morning?
Stripping the wires from the back mostly until it started raining.
Yeah, the rain's been something. It's pretty cool. You work on 3D scanner?
3D scanner is processing.
All right.
It's processing.
We have some hopes for the phone 3D scanner. We'll see how that goes. Here we are. All right, so we're almost about to get this dash out. We dropped the steering column here. We've gotten almost everything disconnected, but we're still stuck right back there on that. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to get that out. Nice.
Oh. Dashboard is all out. Here we go.
Here's a progress report. That's all empty. None of these wires are connected to anything, but so I can pull them out of the car, but like they're just connected in one spot somewhere. And then dashboard's all out. More wiring, but it's getting there. And that seat comes out at will too. I just needed it to move in and out. Right, we are pulling a lot of wiring. All of this. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more. There we go. Maybe there's not more. That's it. All right, we got it. Okay, we're good filming. I feel filmed.
I'm gonna get some earplugs.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna grab.
Sup, we're currently dremeling right now. We're breaking off the side of the dash because it's already shattered. Jake's going to town on it, as you can see. Wow, what compelling footage. Alright, sup. We found another signature. We are just cutting through the dash because this is already broken and we're just breaking it apart. So yeah. All right, checking back in for the vlog. Yeah, we're dremeling, baby. We're dremeling good.
All right, what are we showing off?
The electrical bucket.
All right, let's show the electrical bucket.
Yeah. Woo yeah, electrical bucket. Woo yeah. Yeah. Electricity.
All right, driving back from B&B. Got our flag. Got some sheet, some stick. Here we go.
Do you want to do it? Do you want to do it first, or?
I don't know what you're doing. Are you scared?
I'm cutting here across here, but you see how there's metal really right underneath it?
Yeah.
Like, this is metal.
You can dremel metal.
No, I know, but I don't want to like nick it and will it
won't explode.
Okay.
Put your shield down.
Good morning, you guys. We are walking to the hangar for another build day on a Saturday. Nice day out here, should be good. I think I'm gonna go engine shopping at a junkyard today for a bit. Maybe 2 junkyards, depending on what's open. And hopefully we're gonna start pulling out the existing engine and maybe get some cutting done to get the roll cage in, so yeah. Hood is off. There we go. Let the swap begin. Just engines everywhere. Engine, all engines.
Did he say what it came out of an LS?
Found an 8-liter V10. We're putting it in the question mark pile. It's pipe dream, but yeah, let me dream.
She want me.
Standing in the car. Radio's out. Johnny wrench drop count. We're well over 3. Johnny, what do you have to say about your third time dropping the wrench?
All I know is I recovered it this time.
That's a first for the first time in his career. So that lost the engine bay.
Full for full. He's full for full.
One of mine's in the engine bay.
Bend it in half now.
Give me a little more shake. A little more shake.
It doesn't do that.
There you go. Yeah. Right now.
Andy Reid?
Andy Reid right here.
Oh.
You know what's the funniest
You know,
thing?
Johnny, we haven't seen you dance yet.
Yeah.
I don't
Quit
dance.
working.
Yeah. He's been the only one turning wrenches this entire time.
You can turn around and just have a groove. Give me like a little. That was a shimmy. That was a something.
I can't get that one yet.